Hi, this is Scott Warner with Innovia Consulting, and thank you for taking time to learn about Microsoft's Business Central. Today, we are talking about how Business Central handles real-time data so you can cut through the noise to see what's most important to you. Today's video, we will be taking this from a CEO or business manager's point of view. For manager's perspective, you may need just some real quick insight on how your team is performing. So with these dashboards below on your home screen, you can do just that. From these dashboards, and this can be set up for any number of things, but today we've got it set up for sales orders and purchase orders. You can see an ongoing total of what your team is doing. So if you have a set goal, your team needs to produce X amount of quotes and X amount of orders per day, per week, per month, however you decide to track your team's performance. This will give you a running total. Right here on your home screen, so all you have to do is log on. The first thing you're going to see is your team's performance. So as I add in a new sales order, these numbers will, or a new sales quote, these numbers will start to increase in size again. And then if you would like it to be set up day to day, week to week, those numbers will then again reset to 0. You start a fresh day, start a new number of quotes and orders that need to be hit. With that said, Microsoft uses a kind of a green to red perspective. So if we are still underneath the amount of quotes and orders that we need on any given day, that number will be red. So you know, hey, there's an issue, we need to point that out. If we are on track, we're above our numbers, that number will go to green. We know we're having a good day, nothing needs to be done. Another feature that is important, that may be important to you, is to show real-time data, is your order guide. So what an order guide is as your sales team members are taking orders, you're going to be able to see some real-time data moving forward. So let me open up a sales order real quick, and I'll kind of give you an explanation as to what I mean. So we're going to process, and we'll open up our order guide. Each one of these order guides can be set up per individual customer, depending on what that customer is allowed to order, which ones you'd like them to have access to, so on and so forth. So from the order guide here down below, you can kind of see what it's just your basic order guide. It's going to have all your products. All you'd have to do is go down this quantity to order, enter in your orders while you're sitting there with the customer. However, what's important to you in this situation is you have your inventory as well as you have a quantity available. So as you can see, this says in our inventory, if you were to go into our warehouse right now, you would see that we had 140 Hostess Twinkies. However, there are 5 already on a current sales order, so you only have 135 available. This is important because if you're out in the field, you can't really go check your warehouse right then and there. You need to have some real-time data. There it is. As soon as those sales orders are entered, when the system refreshes, you're going to know exactly what's in your inventory. So I'm not going to over order. I can see that there's 38 on another sales order, and we don't have 38 in inventory. So again, something you want that your purchase order will have, or your purchase manager will have access to, so they can get in the right product, as well as then we have some that are not on any previous sales orders, so on and so forth. So those are just a couple of ways to show that Business Central can handle your real-time data. So I hope this was helpful for you. I wanted to say thank you just for having interest in Business Central and learning a little bit more about it with me today. Thank you and have a great day.